The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be coming with a new design of the camera sensor. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, since from previous leaks and rumors we know that Samsung is going to be coming with a bigger camera sensor which can take a much more light and can give you great videos and photos. Now today we have got another leak coming from IC Universe which give us a detail that the upcoming S23 Ultra camera sensor will be a little bit wider as compared to this year S22 Ultra. So definitely this means that we have a bigger and a wider camera sensor which can take much more light and can give you a better quality of videos. And that could be true because the leaked renders and the leaked dummy sample that we have seen for the S23 Ultra will definitely means that we have a bigger sensor. This is because we have a 200 megapixel sensor as the main camera, which will bring some incredible videos and photos inside the S23 Ultra. Well, this new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 gave us a possibility to get 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, and it is in the rumors that we can actually going to be seeing this in the S23 Ultra. So if that happens, it's going to be one of the biggest upgrades coming in the video department. The other rumors also indicates that the portrait video is also coming for the S23 Ultra, which is going to be similar with the cinematic mode that is coming for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. What is interesting in here is that you can record 4K videos in that portrait video mode, so it will give you a nice bokeh in the videos as well. So definitely I'm pretty much excited about that feature of the device as well. And this new 200 megapixel sensor is also coming with the 3 mode options, like we have a 12 megapixel mode, a 50 megapixel mode, and a 200 megapixel mode, which can give you different quality of images at these different modes. Now with that being said, the other camera sensor of the S23 Ultra are going to be exactly same as this year, but the performance are going to be different because the upgradation in the algorithm for the S23 Ultra camera sensor will bring their quality to the next level, and they can even give you better videos and photos in the day and night. And talking about the night, IC Universe has shared a new leak which confirms that the upcoming S23 Ultra will be having a night vision like videos and photos in the night, which definitely means that we can actually going to see a better quality of night videos and photos than this year S22 Ultra. So definitely it makes me excited to see how this device is going to perform in the night as well. Now with that being said, IC Universe also shared that a new autofocus system is going to be implementing for the S23 Ultra, because he has shared 2 images in which one is going to be coming with a red dot while the other one is not coming with any dot. So definitely this means that Samsung is cooking something inside which is going to be making the autofocus system to be much more better as compared to this year S22 Ultras. And guys, I'm super excited about this new S23 Ultra camera sensor. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.